In presentation, we hate bullet points. We love clean design, something simple but gorgeous. It's like our house. We always like it clean, simple and gorgeous. This is a real content. How about sharing the thought process of transforming this real content into a slide like this? Sounds great, right? So let's get started. So who am I? Why am I talking about this? My name is Purnendu. I work in Upwork. I create presentations mainly for the startups looking for raising money. For the past decade, I was fortunate enough to work with 200 plus startups and helping them to get their story right. Though I think myself as a corporate storyteller, taking boring data and turning them into a visual masterpiece that is super easy to understand and get the result that you are looking for. I have helped startups to raise tens of millions of dollars. And what started out as a passion, helping business to succeed, became a means to connect with community of entrepreneurs, investors, VCs and hustlers. Let's see what we have here. It's an intro slide. It got the information about the company. Let's talk about the content of the slide. Good thing is, this slide contains right amount of text. Bad thing is, the content is not easily understandable. After seeing a slide, audience should understand the slides in less than 15 seconds. I think putting emphasis on why are we here is unnecessary. This is indicating something will be discussed in the next slide. We can put this in lower font size at the bottom of the slide. Planning is important for every areas of our life. So let's plan how we can approach this slide. Let's rebuild the sentences to make it easily understandable. This is the original slide. Now what I am trying to do is finding the most important word in a sentence and position it at the first of the sentence. This sentence is saying that cumulative revenue from 2015 to 2020 of more than 3 million euro. So we can try to position 3 million euro at the first of the sentence. Like this way. So 3 million euro, as it is saying more than, so we are putting plus here, and cumulative revenue 2015 to 2020. Similarly, we can here also we can position 273,000 euro at the first of the sentences. I have already done this and I am putting it here. Okay. As the numbers are here, so 14 team members, I have moved this sentence up, okay, and take the bootstrapped until 2019 below, okay. So now bootstrapped until 2019, this is good because bootstrapped is very important word and it is in the beginning, so no changes here. And all shares is still in founder's possession. This sentence is also good because all shares is important in this sentence. For every presentation, I usually do this. First of all, here is the logo. Here I am using a dummy logo as due to NDA, I cannot share the actual company name or their logo. This is the text font color that I am using. Those two are the graphics color, and for the font header I am using Monostrad bold, and for the body I am using Open Sans font. Let's proceed to the design part. Like our life, let's focus on the important things here. I am referring to the words that are important. So make them big and bold. Make less important sentences smaller. Now let's make important words big and bold. Okay. So this is the number. Let's make it like, yeah, I think this is good. And for this also you can make it font size 88 and big, and then as this is text, so we can make it like, yeah, 44 or 50 is good, right? Make it bold. Okay. we will need to reduce those font sizes, like we can make them 25. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay, I know it's look ugly now, but when we present this in a clean way, so it will look better. In design, please remember, if everything is big and bold, that is not good. If everything is like smaller, that is also not good. Like life in slide, we also need variation. Let's present information using clean and modern approach. So what we have here, we have like 5 data. So we need to find a clean way to present those data. Let's see. First, we can take a bigger shape, and this is just for the design part. Then we can take 4 little bit smaller shape. Yeah, now we have something to fit all the data. First we can take this. Okay, so let's color this. I think we can for the variation purpose we can make it a little bit different color. We can this color because it complements this color more better way. Okay, I can do this. In design, I think alignment is very much crucial, so we must ensure that everything is perfectly aligned. We can make it little bit big, I think. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so my plan is to position a icon here. Okay, first let's position a rest of the content same way. So here I have positioned all the content same way. Audience is sitting in there, but we have to assume they are like busy with other things. They are just putting their 30% of their concentration on the slide. So through visuals we need to make the slide easily understandable. This part looks blank, so we can position a visual here. I have created a visual based on company information. Let's position it here. So I have just positioned the created visual here. Based on the company information and everything, this visual will be different, right? So now I think this part looks not blank, right? So we in designing the slide, we make sure that none of the part looks too much blank, right? Use icons to assist the content. We need to use the right icon based on the content. Here it is saying cumulative revenue. We can use this icon here. For rest of the content, let's use the right icon. So here is the final slide. I believe all the key information is focused and there is enough visuals to complement the content.